Hey, welcome to the video. Today we'll be opening one of these Iono's Bellibolt EX Premium Collections. I just got a couple of these in, so we're gonna crack one open for this video and let's see what we can pull. Okay, so Iono's Bellibolt EX box. First of all, this is an amazing promo for an EX box, for a premium collection box, because these are nice with the little Cosmic Hollow. Cosmic Hollow is great, but full art card is better. Let's get right into it and see what we can pull. So this box comes with 6 packs and some acrylic stands. You can see them in the screen there. So here we have the promos. I like the background of this card, like in the middle of the streets, that will be flying around. Nice. And the Cosmic Hollow is always cool, right? I mean, I like it. And this one, this is just great. Centering though is really bad. Look at it. That's bad. That's bad. That's bad. Not cool, Pokemon. Not cool. Look at that. Look at that. That's shitty, but that's okay. I'm going nicely into the binder. That's okay. I don't really mind. I don't really mind it if a card isn't like PSA 10. Just it's in a binder, so it's cool. We got 2 Journey Together. We got a Surging Sparks, Twilight Masquerade, Paradox Rift, and one of my favorites, we got Obsidian Flames. And we got a code card. There you go. Enjoy the code card. We'll put the packs here, and then we'll go. Oh, we got one more of these Polaroids. We got the Hop second Polaroid already. Now we got Iono and her Bellibolt. Cool, like them. Okay, so we're ready to open some packs. Let's see, we'll start off with this one. We'll finish off with Surging Sparks, and we'll do it like this. That's nice. First of all, it's nice pack selection. Great pack selection. Yeah, it's a great one. So happy with that. Here, and let's start off with a Journey Together. Let's get right into this and see what we can pull. So what do we want to get from this? What do we want? Lily Clefairy is pretty. Oh, Articuno. Hands down, Articuno. For sure. I really want that Articuno. So that's going to be my chase. Look at all the whitening here. I mean, it's the code card, so it's okay, but still. With the promo. Bad. And we got nothing. Thief, let's go, Torkoal. Komala. Coffee. We'll get Choppet. Look at this greedy little thing. Greedy little thing. Look at this. Do you see that? What's up with this box? So off center. Dude. We might be getting some crazy miscut hits. Oh, this one is fine. Kamala again. So, that's okay. That's okay. First pack. We didn't get any first pack magic, but that's okay. Now on to Paradox Rift. My least favorite Scarlet Violet set, but it has some bangers. But I keep forgetting them. I mention this every time. It's the most forgettable set for me. So that's why I'm not really a fan. Because if it's forgettable, if I keep forgetting the cards in there, if I keep forgetting the Pokemon in there, it's just... For me, it means that it's my least favorite, because it's Gettable. Oh, we got some fire, and we got the Fuecoco, the little fire croc. Look at him in the rain. He doesn't like rain. He doesn't like rain. He has a little leafy umbrella. Fuecoco doesn't like the rain. He's a fire croc. He looks happy though. He's happy to be in the rain. He does like rain. Let's be honest. He likes rain. Honedge. We got Dwebble. Little Krabby in the Pebble. Or C. Just chilling on the beach, right? Just having some fun. It's all good. It's all good. Baby Pump. Little Snorlax doll. I love the background of the sun. Is it the sun? I think so. We got a little hit. So what is it going to be? Again, it's the most forgettable set, so I have no idea what it's going to be. Let's see. We got Joltik. It's really cute. Let's be honest. I think I've pulled this one already. And I really don't like the set. But it's a really cute card. Look at him. Yeah, nice. Nice, nice, nice. That's a nice little hit. Happy with that. Let's leave that bad boy up. And on to the next one. Let's just top load it. Obviously, we're going to top load it. Jeff. There we go. Joltik. Nope. Come on, Joltik. There we go. Nice. Nice little hit. It's okay. That's the least favorite set. I don't mind. A hit is a hit. I'm happy. I'm happy. So one hit from the box. And now we have some Obsidian Flames. Can we finally pull that Cleffa? It's all I want. I only want the Cleffa. I mean, obviously I'm happy with a Charizard or Ninetales as well, but I want that Cleffa. Cleffa. Psychic. Fire again. We're on fire. Might be a sign. Maybe the fires are a hit. Wiglet. Squovet. Look at him, he's already being greedy. Already being greedy. We got a little something. We got a hit. So let's see what it is. Well, we got 2 hits in a row. I'm excited. I'm excited. Because it's one of my favorite sets, so it's always good. It's always good. Solrock, Togepi, and Togepi brought with him Poppy! Let's go. We got a Poppy. I don't have Poppy yet. So, that's nice. A nice little Poppy. It's a cool card. 2 hits in a row. So I'm happy. I have to say, have to be honest, I don't really care about trainer cards. And look at Dinged. There we go. So I'm not really a fan of trainer cards. Also, the Iono's Bellibolt. I like Bellibolt. I don't really care for Iono. I don't know. If there's a cool trainer, it's like Brock or something. I prefer Brock over all the waifus. But that's just my opinion. Jeff. So, we got Poppy. Poppy will be over there. But we got 2 hits in a row. So we're on a roll. We're on a roll. Let's get these. So, Twilight Masquerade. We meet again. Can we pull that Eevee? Can we make it 3 in a row? I doubt it. But yeah. Can we pull that Eevee? If we can pull that Eevee, I'll be really happy. And I was gonna say we'll be opening up this if you pull an Eevee. But we're gonna pull that. We're gonna open it up anyway, so We're gonna open it up anyway. Lightning. I was gonna say, is it a sign for Pikachu? But Surging Sparks is over there. I'm not sure. It might be. But first, we have Ducklet. We got 9tails. So we did pull 9tails. Look at it. I love this card. The background. Such a nice scene. 9tails so proud. Nice. I like it. I like it very much. Wrath. Creepy. Nope. We ain't got nothing. So I saw this this light on, it was a Lotto Extreme actually, and he got this chandelier lamp, and it looked great. It looked really cool. I wanna get one of those. Just wanted to share that with you guys. Journey together. So we got one more chance for that Articuno. Come on, Articuno. Oh. Water energy. Oh, fire. Cuvant. Sprigatito. So cute. Booms. What is he doing there? So the rest of these cards, they look good. Just the first pack was horribly off center. All of them. That's also nothing. No. So, are we going to get some last pack magic? We got 2 hits already, which is not bad. It's not bad. 2 from 6. It's okay. But now Surging Sparks. Can we get the Latios or Latios? Or the Pikachu? Pikachu would be cool. Pikachu would be cool. Fighting energy. Oh, Fuecoco again. So we got a hit on the last time we had Fuecoco. Look at the little guy on the beach. I love him. It was on my first stream that I pulled this one. From the gem pack. Look at him. Little Fuecoco. He's cool. Good little guy. Snorlax. When are they going to release Ash's Primate? In a full art. Nope, Tapu Lele. That was it. That was it for the Iono's Bellibolt box. So at least we got 2 little hits, and of course we got the Iono's Bellibolt promo, which is it's not bad. Not bad. 3 little hits. Well, I don't count this. So 2 little hits. Then if you even get an EX or a quarter hit, it's okay. Because we got something exciting. We got a Fusion Strike and an Astral Radiance. And the 3 birds. I love the birds, and Articuno is my favorite. I don't really like the Galarian Articuno. But I do like the 3 legendary birds. For the Astral Radiance, you got the Galarian Zapdos. We'll be sleeving that in a moment. Code card and the Articuno. I just want to be careful. We got a Fusion Strike with the Gengar art. Cool. And we got the horribly off-center Galarian Moltres. Got a nice little card. So for these packs, we'll be bringing over my fiancée to open up one of them. For that fiancée luck. And it'll be the Fusion Strike. And she'll be putting that Gengar. Hopefully. But first, we got some Astral Radiance. Can we get something? Let's see. Is this first pack magic again? Not really. Switch card. Fusion Strike pink with the Bellibolt pink. Iono pink. Pokemon. Sometimes English Pokemon. I mean, Japanese is not that bad. To the Widow. Cynical. Shaman. Can we get a little something? Nope. We got a Thievul. Non-hollow. But that's okay. Because all the luck will be coming right now. So guys, this is my fiancée and she'll be opening up one of these, the last pack, the Fusion Strike, and we're going to get some last pack magic. So if you open it up, turn it around, take the last 4 cards, put it to the front, and turn it back. And get the Gengar. So first, don't, yeah, okay. Don't show the other side of this card. Don't show the other side of the card. So just slide it off. Yeah, perfect. Now, last 4 cards. Put them in.
Nervous. We want that Gengar.
We do want the Gengar. The Gengar V Max. Already pulled the Gengar V once. But I would like that V Max. And it's the chase of this set. Vulpix. Love Vulpix. At least we got a little V. We got a Lucario V. That's nice. That's not bad. Let's open up one more. Stay seated. You got one more Astral. One more Astral.
We didn't pull the Gengar though.
We didn't pull the Gengar, but that's okay.
Maybe I'm not that lucky.
Yeah. Here we go.
Astral Radiance. I'm not that good at it. I'm sorry, guys. I'm not a gym leader.
And then we got Fusion Strike.
Is
Again
like,
with the Gengar art.
Is this the same, like last 4 cards?
Yeah, it's the same. And
Show
also
the...
we don't want to spoil the...
Okay. More dark.
Print quality is horrible with Pokemon. Pokemon English print quality is just... Get the hairdryer. Oshawott!
You what?
Oh, Bonita! Nice.
I
For the
love this
collection.
one.
Bonita collection. It's pretty. You have that already? I think so. Of course. Okay, let's do this.
Yeah.
We got another V, Machamp V. So we got two little hits. It's okay. It's not bad. But now, let's catch that Gengar VMAX.
Wanna open them?
Yep. I wanna open one of these
Bye, guys.
Fusion Strikes. So let me know in the comments if you want Laura to open more packs. She will also have one tomb each week on the Fiancée Friday. She'll be opening one more pack. There we go. On to the last one. Can we get some last pack magic with Fusion Strike? Let's get right into it. Let's see what we can pull. What was this? This one, yeah, again, it was a V, so it counts as a hit. I almost showed it, but it's okay. I didn't. Did we get lightning? Psychic energy. We got fighting energy. Primeape. Sean. Sean! 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 We got something. We got something. We got something. I think it's a V again, but we got something. Robin. Sean! We got Sean! 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 And we got Sean. Sean V. Cool. So we got 3 little hits. It's not what we really want, but it's okay. We're happy that we got hits, and that's what it's about. Thanks for watching the video. Watch my daily short series Tomb today on one more pack, where I open one more pack each day. Again, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment on this video if you like it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.